Alright, so I'm also again here during the night shift cutting like beams for OSU, upturn beams. Over here we got still a big pile to go. There's blocks we did, they're waiting to be picked up. These are upturn beams with big hangers and recessed washer plates. Needs a little bit of cleanup, but it comes out really good. Yeah, it's just that K3 just works really good. Got a lot of holes in those. Those are upturn beams, swell with big 4-inch countersunk. That's what they're doing right now. The back side, you got a little bit. You have a hole every 18-inch. These are double run beams. I have to run them from both sides, so that one is going in again. Little lamp mill's already there. More material came in today. This all needs to be either rerun or just run the first time, and these are done too. So lots going on.